Welcome to Stock Talk. This is your host, Scott. Hope you had a good weekend. Hope you had a good day in the market Friday. The market was up pretty good, so you probably did. We ended up having a pretty good week just because the turn we had on Friday and the specific stocks that went up really helped the portfolio balance. So ended up with another plus week. So we've definitely broke the losing streak, and we got 2 in a row up. So we need to see if we can go for that 4 in a row up, and at least 3 to make up for the 3 that were down. So, but we did have a good week. Bought into NVAX. Had been waiting to do that. Saw a little opportunity there, I think. So we did that. Also sold a couple things. We'll talk about that when we look at our portfolio. But the first thing I want to do is take a look at NVAX and see. I want to show you that 5-day chart and show you why I did jump into that. So let me get over to that chart and we'll take a look at that. So here's the chart with NVAX. You can see the 5-day chart I've got pulled up here. Last Monday we had a pretty normal day around that $79, $80 level. And then some news came out in the pre-market on Tuesday, and this thing shot up to as high as I think it was 117. You see the big spike here, and actually spiked a couple times during the day. So, but as you can see, the last few days towards Friday, it just kind of started to go down a little bit. So it just really looked like it was holding up pretty good around that $94, $95 level. So once it got up to around 95, after going down to about 94 something, I went ahead and purchased some shares of NVAX for 95. So the reason I did that is, I've got pretty good confidence there's going to be some good news towards the end of this month about this phase 2 testing they're doing. Usually the phase 2s are not the ones that get you as bad as the phase 3s. So we're gonna hope for the best here, and hopefully if it does spike, it's going to spike up there to that 117, 120 level, and we're in at 95. That'd be a pretty good little gain. But if it goes up 6% between now and then, I may take that money as well. But we're just going to play it by ear. I kind of like being in this one again. May get a little hoggish with this one, since we don't have that big of a stake, and it just depends how the rest of the week goes. But that's kind of where I was at on that. I wanted to show you that we did buy into that. NVAX is one of our favorites, so it has been good to us. So let's go to the portfolio, take a look at that. And here's our portfolio. You can see NVAX at the top was down Friday 2%. So that was a good entry point for us, we believe. So we'll see how that goes. MPC, as you can see, it had a good day. It was up 8.5%. We did sell that one, sold out of that one Friday. We only had it 3 days, and we made 5% on that. So, and we had a pretty good stake in it. So that's what really helped the week out as far as our portfolio goes, and as far as pocketing money. That was a good one there. VLO is also another oil company that we're holding. It's still down a little bit, so we're going to hold on to it a little bit longer. DAL, Delta Airlines, we still holding that one. Southern Company, still holding that one. It's up for us. We may be getting rid of that one next week if it keeps going up. And the next one there, you see a big winner for the day was CLF. The CLF was up 15.03%. We had a good sized stake in that because I had been using that to kind of cost average against the U.S. Steel stock. So we went ahead and took that. That was a 4% gain on us. We were down a little bit on it, so we went ahead and took it, 4% gain. The oldest shares we had were from 6/18, so we had it less than a month and still made 4% on it. So that was good. Win up 4.22%. Our casino, another casino, MGM up 1.25%. Our Bitcoin Trust got a little bit trimmed on Friday. Nothing bad, down 1%. XOM's another oil company, Exxon Mobil, up 3%. And as you can see, U.S. Steel gained almost 10%, 9.5%. We were thrilled to see that. That's along with CLF went up as well. So we had a very good day. Those were our two largest holdings, and so it was a very good day as far as the portfolio level goes as well. ACB just kind of ticking up there at 2%. So that's kind of what our portfolio looks like. Let's go ahead and see what's going on. You can see here the futures are up a little bit. Looks like we could be in for a green day tomorrow. Of course, this is early still. All this could change before the night's over with. It's real early, so. But it looks pretty green right now, so that's good. Let's see what's going on in Asia. Shanghai is open. Looks like it's down a little bit. Other ones aren't open yet. So we'll have to see how that holds up. Oil down just a little bit, but we're still over that $40 mark. It did rise last week, more than 2% on improved forecast. Demand recovery, so that's good. But that looks like there's our market for tonight. Pre-market again, green 159, so that's good. We'll take that. As far as tomorrow goes, let's talk about that. We're going to be trying to get some more cash on the sideline. We are sitting at a 37% level on our cash now, which is good. Got that back up. We had a good week. That's 2 weeks in a row. So that's good for the portfolio. That's good for we pocketed a good amount of money last week too with those two sales on Friday. So that was all good. This week, going to try to get some more cash on the sideline. Going to watch that NVAX real quick, real good, and see. If it continues to drop, we may add to that one. But would like to get out of a couple more of these things. I've got some old ETFs I'm holding. We haven't even talked about those, but there's a couple of them was in China. So and China has been doing pretty good the last couple of weeks, and so I'll try to get out of those at even because I've been holding them a while and just soon not have anything in China holdings right now. So, but that's nothing that we've ever talked about. It was pre-starting the channel, and so we're going to just kind of keep that on the side. But going to look for opportunities. Our regulars, EXAS, MPC, we're back out of that one again. So if it drops, we'll be getting back in that one again. Cleveland Cliffs, another one that's been good to us a couple times already. As steel drops, we'll use that one instead of U.S. Steel to cost average. And other than that, we'll just keep looking for some bargains and trying to get some more cash on the sideline. All right. Well, y'all have a great evening, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking this button right here. Thanks.